afternoons, good day wherever you are. It's always a pleasure speaking with you ladies. I am Larissa Livella Ayoketa and welcome to Inyango, the place which teaches you simple ways to become a healthy mom. Today we are going to be talking about bloating during pregnancy. I know this is something which most of us don't talk about because it doesn't entail medications to cure and you hardly hear your midwives telling you about it. But if you are a pregnant woman, bloating causes a lot of discomfort, and you do know. If you are done giving birth, you still need this knowledge because maybe you need it someday for your daughter. If you're a man who is not yet married, you will need this knowledge someday for your wife. So please, let's stay together and learn something. Now, what is bloating? Bloating is a general feeling of fullness or tightness or discomfort. It could feel many different ways. In some pregnant women, because they are bloated, they can't even sleep. It's so uncomfortable. But the good thing is, after you have your baby in your hands, you forget about all these discomforts which came with pregnancy. But now, let's talk about bloating so we help make pregnancy a more relaxed situation. Now, what are the main causes of bloating? The first main cause of bloating is progesterone, which is a hormone which you need so much during pregnancy. What does progesterone do that causes bloating? Progesterone slows down the movement of muscles, including your intestine muscles, thus making digestion slow. And when this happens, it leaves gas in your intestines, which thereby causes bloating. Now, why does progesterone slow down the movement of your intestines or your other muscles? Now, first, progesterone slows down the movement of your intestines to slow down digestion so that the nutrients in the food which you ate as a mother and the host of your baby can get into your bloodstreams and thereby go to your baby, because that is the only way which your baby can get the nutrients from you. So progesterone does something really great. So don't hate progesterone, it's very important. The second thing which causes bloating is bodily changes. As your stomach keeps getting bigger or your uterus keeps expanding to suit the size of your baby while you're pregnant, the space which your stomach, which is where your food is supposed to go to, keeps reducing as your uterus, which is your womb, keeps increasing, thereby making it in such a way that when you eat very little, you feel so full and all that. So that is another cause of bloating. What are some of the symptoms of bloating? The first symptom of bloating is that feeling that you feel like a balloon in there. You feel like you overate. You feel so tight and you feel so full that you can't explain what you actually ate. That is one of the main symptoms. The second symptom is abdominal rumbling. That is your stomach keeps making some kind of noise and just keeps moving up and down. That is another thing to tell you that you are bloated. The third thing is you burp, or fart too frequently. When that happens, it shows that you have a lot of gas in your intestines, and that is a symptom of bloating. Now, what can you do to prevent bloating? Today, I'll bring you 4 main things which you can do to prevent bloating. The first one is drink a lot of fluids, but please don't go ahead and drink a lot of water at a time or just use a bottle and just take it all down. No, please try to go with a glass at a time, maybe a glass every 30 minutes. It's going to help you for you not to feel so full and ease your digestion too. The next thing is for you to adjust your diet. There are things which normally cause gas. There are foods which normally cause gas, like beans, cabbage, eggs, and milk. These 4 things cause a lot of gas. So try to reduce the intake of any of this at a time and see how you feel. If you feel less bloated after reducing one of these things from your diet, then that could be the thing causing the bloating. Another thing which can cause bloating is soft drinks. So please, when you're pregnant, try to reduce your intake of soft drinks because soft drinks have a lot of gas and again a lot of sugar, which is not good for you. Another thing you can do is go slow and small when you eat. It's better for you to take 6 small meals in a day as a pregnant woman than going for a big plate of meal at a time. And please don't hurry while eating. It won't do you any good. Please take your time to eat because at this point in your life, which is very crucial, you need to take care of yourself. So please spend that little time to eat slowly so you can get all the goodness of that food. The next thing which you can do is please incorporate exercise into your life. Exercise makes you active and helps you digest your food very fast. When you eat and you do a little bit of exercise, you realize that you feel light and it makes it easy for you and you feel less bloated. So please, my pregnant ladies out there, my mommies who are learning for their daughters, and the men who are learning for their future wives, let's take care of our pregnant ladies out there and let's build healthy moms with healthy homes. Have a beautiful day.